Pati na yung aso, nagpunta na kayo doon kay Hongpei. Saan sa Hongpei? Anong address?
3510 Astor Street.
So, Aster na.
Apo.
So, doon kayo nagpunta. Pagpasok nyo sa Aster, ano nakita nyo?
Sir, initially, we went to the office when we requested Mr. Chen about the documents. So,
Di ba
because we,
tinuro sa iyo yung 5 crates?
yes, sir.
Oh.
Sir, after that, I recognize the 5 wooden crates to be the subject of our investigation.
Why? Did you see it before?
No, sir. It was provided to us, sir. The information was provided to us that it could possibly in a wooden crate with a metal steel roller inside, Your Honor.
Why? You have X-ray vision?
Sir, you can see it, sir, from the crate, Your Honor. The wooden crate, Your Honor, is boxed. Then when we open the crate, Your Honor, from the top of that wooden crate, you will see the metal roller, Your Honor. I have pictures on slide, Your Honor.
All right. Ang naka-declare ano?
Doon po sa specific shipment na yan, sir, ang naka-declare po, sir, ay mostly kitchenware, Your Honor.
Kitchenware.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sapatos.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Footwear, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, pero sabi mo, nakita mo kaagad yung wooden, yung tubo? Yung roller, nakita mo kaagad? Nakabukas na?
Inside the wooden crate, Your Honor, is a solid metal roller, Your
Kaya
Honor.
tinanong kita, do you have X-ray vision? Sabi mo, nakalawit na eh. Nakalabas na.
The wooden crate, Your Honor, is already in the floor of the warehouse, Your Honor.
Of course. Alam ka naman nasa langit yung sa warehouse. Nasa baba. Ang sabi mo, nakalawit na yung tubo.
Sir, ito po yung metal crate, Your Honor.
Tama.
Yes,
Yan ang litrato nung makuha na nung binuksan nyo.
Opo,
Tama.
sir. Yes, sir.
So hindi mo nakita nakalawit yung tubo. Otherwise, nakalagay doon sa misdeclaration niya na footwear, lumabas, nakalawit na yung tubo. Di ba lalaman nyo kagad na hindi yon? Tama o hindi?
Tama, Your Honor.
Oh, so, hindi nakalawit. Nakasara yung box. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ikaw ba lang talaga kasama doon o sinabi mo lang kasama ka kahit hindi ka kasama doon?
Sir, I was the one supervising the operation.
Alright, binuksan nyo yung crate. Tama?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Nakaharap yung barangay captain?
Andun po si Mr. Chen, Your Honor.
O, siya lang binuksan nyo?
Opo, sir.
Nung binuksan nyo, nakita nyo na yung tubo.
Opo, sir.
So, misdeclaration na kagad.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sinalungkat nyo yung sapatos, sinalungkat nyo lahat.
Meron pong nakalagay din ko, sir, na mold dun sa declaration. But at that time, Your Honor, I do not see it as a mold.
So,
That's
nakita
right.
nyo yung tubo.
Yes, Your
O,
Honor.
nabuksan mo yung tubo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano mo binuksan?
Sir, initially, sir, we tried to open it by using available instruments that we have. We tried it by a knife, by a bareta.
Bakit mo pinit buksan yung tubo?
Your Honor, there is a strong indicator that there is really something inside that metal roller. When we check, Your Honor, this metal roller weighs about, normally without anything inside, weighs about 200.
So,
only.
binuhat mo?
No, Your Honor. We
Ano?
check it through, I think, sir, one of my staff tried to check it through the internet, that this metal roller weighs about 200.
200 what? Pounds? Grams? What?
200 kilos, Your Honor.
Aba, mabigat yun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Oh.
But the actual
So,
declaration...
pinilit yun ng buksan, magkatapos yun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba totoo, sabi mo sa papel mo, na yung aso, humarap doon sa case, nag-positive na may droga doon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pinapalabas mo na, hindi mo ginamit yung aso eh.
Sir, ginamit din po, sir, yung aso, sir.